Hello everyone, myself Dr. Aditya Gupta. In this video, I wanted to talk to every aspirant. So the INI-CET notification just came out 2 or 3 days ago that the exam is going to be conducted on 13th of November. So first of all, don't be scared. That's what I'll say. And you now just have 2 months to go for your exam. So I just wanted to make a small strategy video regarding the same. This video is inspired by Rishabh's video, so I will tell you to go actually check that video out. He's actually done a lot of research as far as surgery is concerned. But this is sort of a rehash of that video with my own takes, similar takes actually, but more or less a similar approach that I want to say, and rather emphasize upon as far as INI-CET and AIMS is considered. So this video, at the very outset, I'll say that this video is not for someone who started their preparation back in March, April, June, and who are preparing for NEET PG 2023 or have been preparing for this exam for 6-7 months. They are in their own phase. रिविजन आराम से चल रही है, सब कुछ चल रहा है. फॉर देम आई जस्ट से दैट राइट नाउ इन दीज 2 months योर फोकस शुड बी ऑन प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस एंड टॉपिक्स. You should get at least 2 to 3 revisions. You should try to get 1 revision by the October end and like 1 final revision in 10 days. But this video is made for those people who are either just cleared their NEET PG 2020 and waiting counseling, and they think that they want to give one last shot for INI. Obviously, everybody wants a INI. Everyone wants to get into a central institute. And for those interns specifically who probably just got done with their internship right now, like in July or August, they just got done with their internship, and this is they're actually preparing for NEET PG 2023. They have like 6 months for that. Let's assuming the exam is in Jan 2023, late Jan 2023, but they want to give INI a shot. Everybody wants to give INI a shot. So what is the best approach that they can consider? So you have to realize one fact about INI is that INI is very, very first and second prof heavy. While the first and second prof doesn't comprise 40 to 50% of your paper, it will actually comprise 60% of your paper. While the final prof, that is your minors and majors that we know about, that actually will comprise 80 to 90 questions. I actually know this now. Being a resident here, I can actually tell you what is the reason. The reason is that the question that you might think is actually a first and second prof question might actually be given by a faculty in medicine or by a faculty in pediatrics or by a faculty in surgery. For example, we all know that checkpoint inhibitors are getting repeated again and again and again. And we think that it's a pharmacology question. But while the truth is that the checkpoint inhibitors, even a professor in pediatrics can also give checkpoint inhibitors. We also use checkpoint inhibitors in pediatric oncology. And our checkpoint inhibitors have been asked in our DM entrance examination as well. Again, not saying that you should do DM questions. That's a very foolishness. That will be foolish. But what I'm trying to tell you is that even AIMS always has been focusing on even the clinical subjects focus on basics, and as a result, the importance of your basics of first and second prof increases drastically as far as INI is considered. So if your best bet for these 2 months would be, let's say you're preparing for NEET PG 2023, your best bet for these 2 months while going into INI would be that you focus on first and second prof and not focus on final prof. That would be your best bet. So in that way, your revision of first and second prof is also done for NEET PG as well, and you can give your best shot as far as NEET PG is concerned. I hope you're getting my point, right? So these 2 months can be divided into 50 and 10 days. 50 days should be in this 50 days. Your focus should be to complete the first and second prof syllabus along with minors. Majors abhi ke liye rehne dena, and in the last 10 days revise. Now this is a very, very important point. In the last 10 days, you have to revise. If you are able to consolidate whatever you have done in the past 50 days in the last 10 days, it gives you the best shot to get an rank in INI. Again, I won't be one of those fake motivational speakers who will say that abhi tumhari top 10 or top 50 rank aa jayegi. But this is your best shot. That's what I'm trying to say. Best shot hai tumhara, maybe top 100, top 500 rank aa jaye. Not that you'll get a top 10 rank or a top 5 rank. For that requires a continuous effort and a number 4-5 revisions. But a best shot going into NEET PG for this INI would be this, that you focus on your first and second prof along with minors. Now, minors में भी यार ENT radio anesthesia मत करना. Like two questions from each of these subjects मिला के मुश्किल से 6 से 7 क्वेश्चन आएंगे, out of which रेडियो कैन इजीली भी डन अगर तुम लोगों ने पहले मेडिसिन पीट्स की जो भी थोड़ी बहुत रेडियो पढ़ते हैं साथ में मेडिसिन पीट सर्जरी की, it can be solved with that. ENT can be solved with the help of anatomy, and anesthesia तो वैसे भी हो सकता है क्वेश्चन आए भी ना. Sometimes just ask one question Optha is a plus minus, but derma, ortho, psychiatry should be done. So how do you go about this? So first and second prof, as I always said, you can use first aid. Along with that, add previous year questions and previous year topics. Most importantly, add previous year question and previous year topics. Now, first aid doesn't have anatomy. Anatomy ke liye I've always emphasized Dr. Ashwini sir is the best. Like there is no doubt. I think nobody will ever question this, that the best faculty as far as anatomy is concerned is Dr. Ashwini. Now I know most of you won't be on eGurukul. You probably would be using some other app. So even if you are not using that, probably get hold of test and discussion notes from some of your friends, or watch the LMRP videos of Dr. Ashwini, or if you're thinking of buying a prescription, you can buy that, whatever it is. But Dr. Ashwini's notes, set of handwritten notes, you can actually dedicate 4-5 days for that, for the TND notes, for the anatomy part. Trust me, they will be really really helpful as far as anatomy is concerned. As far as the फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड प्रॉफ, तुम लोगों को पहले फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड प्रॉफ करना है. फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड प्रॉफ के लिए फर्स्ट एड मोस्ट थिंग्स विल गेट बी कवर्ड. प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन एंड प्रीवियस ईयर टॉपिक्स कहाँ से करोगे? देयर आर 2 books in the market that are available, Pritesh Singh, and second is To the Point. Now both books are good in my opinion. You can Pritesh Singh is more extensive. टू द पॉइंट में क्या है कि टू द पॉइंट में बोथ नीट एंड INI क्वेश्चंस आर गेट कवर्ड, तो ये उसका बेटर पॉइंट है. सो विच एवर बुक यू फील लाइक गेटिंग, यू कैन गेट. बोथ आर equally good book in my opinion. Both are nice books. Whichever book you want to get for previous year questions, get them. Even your app, whichever app you're using, will be having previous year question. You can use that app as well. So ये कवर हो गया. मेजर में मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग आई वांट टू एम्फसाइज इज डोंट गेट इनटू द हैबिट ऑफ रीडिंग entire medicine. Like 250 वीडियोस मेडिसिन की देखने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. There's absolutely no point. Reading medicine for PG entrance is a scam. This is one thing that I really want to emphasize. Most of your medicine can actually be solved with a good concept in pathology and pharmacology along with updates. This is a small clip from my interview with Dr. Sanil that I want you guys to watch right now.
That what I used finally to revise was Dr. Sameem's LMRP. So here is the thing about Dr. Sameem's LMRP कि उसमें क्या था कि उन्होंने हैरिसन की जैसे अगर टेबल है डायबिटिक ड्रग्स पे, तो हैरिसन के टेबल की फोटो डाल दी. उसको बस ये है कि एफिशिएंटली करना है. Also, medicine is more or less linked with pathology and pharmacology and physiology. In 3 subjects का मिश्रण है, मतलब more or less, I would say. So if you have a nice hold on these subjects, so anyways most of your medicine is covered. The challenge is in the updates and in the guidelines. And for that LMRP is very.
Basically, what Sanil has been emphasizing is कि अगर path pharma physio अच्छी हो, तो all you need is a set of updates in medicine कि medicine के भी सारे questions तुम्हारे हो जाएंगे. For that, I will say either you can like अगर let's say you're using eGurukul, तो उसकी LMRP videos देख लो, that's more than enough. I myself had used Dr. Thameem notes. या तो LMRP खरीद लो और लिटरली सिर्फ जो अपडेट्स दिए हुए हैं उनको अच्छे से पढ़ के चले जाओ, and that's about it. Don't spend time on medicine. That is probably the biggest mistake a lot of aspirants do, because medicine is never ending. Medicine कभी खत्म नहीं होती. Instead, focus on making your path and pharma and physiology and microbiology strong. अगर ये चारों subjects हमारे strong होंगे, medicine अपने आप हो जाएगी. Just focus on वो LMRP या 10 घंटे की LMRP की videos देख लिया, LMRP कर लिया, उससे medicine खत्म हो जाएगी. या सिर्फ कहीं से recent updates देख लिए, Telegram पे multiple channels are there. या if you do medicine specific topics, be it ECG, be it ACET base or be it emergencies, बस ये करके चले जाओगे, medicine will be done. Don't focus too much time on medicine. So the overall plan should be that you should give 5 subjects, 5 days for each subject. तो ये 35 दिन हो जाएंगे. एंड मेजर्स के लिए यू जस्ट फोकस ऑन मेजर टॉपिक्स जिनसे रिपीटेड क्वेश्चंस बार बार आ रहे हैं, बाय यूजिंग प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन. अगेन आई विल एम्फसाइज, प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन के लिए बोथ प्रीतेश सिंह एंड टू द पॉइंट्स आर इक्वली गुड बुक्स. सर्जरी के लिए फोकस ऑन जनरल सर्जरी, थायराइड, ब्रेस्ट एंड ट्रॉमा. पीड्स में जस्ट डू न्यूरोलॉजी, वैक्सीन्स एंड डेवलपमेंट. मेडिसिन में लाइक आई सेड बिफोर, LMRP वीडियोस, वो 10 घंटे के वीडियोस देख लो या LMRP बुक खरीद लो एंड पाथ फार्मा को अच्छा स्ट्रॉन्ग बना लो, तो तुम्हारी मेडिसिन कवर हो जाएगी. दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग आई वांटेड टू एम्फसाइज दिस वीडियो कि मेडिसिन पे टाइम वेस्ट मत करना इन द नेक्स्ट 2 months if you want to give a INI shot. Okay, instead do LMRP videos, वो better रहेगा in fact for doing this. And PM by the way, LMRP can also be replaced with revision videos of other apps as well, but जैसे सानल ने बोला था, LMRP book is a decent book. PSM के लिए just focus on epidemiology and biostats as far as your epidemiology and biostats as far as your INI is considered. Minors में psyche, derma में make sure you do नीना खन्ना images. Ortho definitely करना, optha plus minus है. ENT anesthesia को छोड़ देना, सिर्फ previous year question पिछले 3 साल के TTP या प्रीतेश सिंह से करके चले जाओ. That's more than enough. So I hope you have gotten the strategy. तुम्हारा summarizing it all, तुम्हारा एग्ज़ाम है 13 नवंबर को. तुम्हें नवंबर एंड तक तुम्हें 2 चीज़ें ही करनी है। तुम्हें फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड प्रॉफ करना है। फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड प्रॉफ में मोटा पोर्शन जो है फर्स्ट एड से प्लस प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन और प्रीवियस ईयर टॉपिक से कवर हो जाएगा। अनाटमी के लिए अश्विनी सर की वीडियोस देख लो। इनफैक्ट यूट्यूब पे काफ़ी वीडियोस फ्री में अवेलेबल है, वो देख सकते हो। किसी दोस्त से TND नोट्स मांग लो, अगर ई गुरुकुल यूज़ कर रहे हो तो उसकी मैं LMRP वीडियोस देख लो, व्हाटएवर इट इज़। अनाटमी के लिए देयर इज नो डाउट दैट अश्विनी सर इज़ द बेस्ट। माइनर्स में इसके बाद पहले फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड प्रॉफ करो, फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड प्रॉफ के बाद फोकस करो माइनर्स पे। माइनर्स पे ENT, एनेस्थीसिया और रेडियो इसको छोड़ सकते हो मेरे हिसाब से। यू कैन एक्चुअली साइकी, डर्मा, ऑर्थो एंड ऑप्थाल पे फोकस करना है, ठीक है। एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली मेजर्स, जिससे सब लोग डर रहे होते हैं, इनमें स्पेसिफिकली फोकस ऑन हाई यील्ड, फोकस ऑन हाई यील्ड प्रीवियस ईयर टॉपिक्स। एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली मेडिसिन जो है ना वो स्कैम है, मेडिसिन पे ज़्यादा फोकस मत करो, फोकस ऑन पाथ एंड फार्मा एंड LMRP से अपडेट्स करके चले जाओ, एंड दैट विल help you score the best possible rank as far as INI is considered. The focus of INI always has been on the fact कि फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड प्रॉफ तुम्हारा कितना ज़्यादा अच्छा होता है रादर देन कि तुम्हारी फाइनल ईयर कितना होता है। मेडिसिन के मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चन विल बी सॉल्व विद द हेल्प ऑफ पाथ एंड फार्माकोलॉजी। अपडेट्स के लिए यू कैन डू LMRP, ठीक है। सो थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे। दिस इज माय वीडियो। I hope you like it. I will again ask you कि ऋषभ की वीडियो देख लो. He also has explained this in a very beautiful manner. Again, thank you and have a nice day.